Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklockspot.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking. It's 45 or 50mm and it's a padlock from Mexico, or should I say made in Mexico. The brand is FANAL. It was sent to me by Fantastic VDE out there on YouTube some time ago in a care package. I've never seen this brand before. I collect vintage locks as well as unusual brands, etc. So Victor kindly sent me this. It is a bit funny to pick. Show you the bitting on the key. There is actually cut just there, right at the tip. Probably difficult for you to see. And in Victor's video he did explain that the key works both ways, like so, and it is a little bit gritty inside. That's why it's a little bit unusual to pick. Simple reason, you don't get a great deal of feedback from the pins. You get the odd little click, then every now and again when I've picked it I adjust the tension a little bit and force down on a pin and the core sort of grates and turns. Now I've picked this a few times. I've used, obviously holding it that way, top of the keyway. I've used bottom of the keyway, like so. But I found it does open a little bit better placed the opposite way and inverted to pickets. Let's see how we get on. Like I say, it could be muck and sand or anything inside there, I'm not sure. Start at the back, work to the front. Light to medium tension with adjustment every now and again. Felt like there was a little drop there on one, very slight. Let's try going back to the front. There you go. A bit of a bounce with the tension wrench and it's picked open. So that's a FANAL 5-pin Mexican padlock single pin picks. So if you are newbies to Lockspot guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklockspot.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.